Kambeni cia kimabũrũri cia gutigirira minista wa maundu ma nanja Amina Mohamed ni atuika muikariri giti wa kanju ya ngwataniro ya mabũrũri ma gitaru kia Afrika no irathi na mbere. Kambeni yo ni huritwo njeki thutha wa president wa bũrũri wa Togo Sozima Gazibe kwiranira ati bũrũri wake ni kugeria uria wothe ungihota niguo gutigirira Amina ni oya giturwa kiu.
Because we know that, I know your vision, and I know that if a Kenyan son or if a Kenyan daughter is at the head of the commission, it will be good for Africa.
Gazibe no igiri ati na mwihoko ngwataniro ya mabũrũri maya meri ni guthi na mbere kugacira.
I know that one of our sister is running for AU commission, and I can promise you that we'll do what we can. We'll support that candidacy.
Nake President Kenyatta ni acokerie Gazibe ngatho ni ritĩka ria kunyitanira na Kenya hindi ya mambura ma jamhuri.
Mine is only just to say that we are very, very, very happy and delighted that you accepted our invitation to come and be our chief guest at our independence celebrations. We were happy and honored by your presence, and I am certain that this is the beginning of strengthening renewed bonds between our two countries.
Miaraho ya umwethe niguo Gazibe acokire kwao muciĩ. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.